Hey guys, Menards 12 here. Today we have a turn of the century Eros 42-inch antique brass ceiling fan. It's currently installed in the work in progress exercise room, aka this room here. It's a mess. This switch here turns on the pot lights around it. There's a vent that needs to be done. Finished, whatever. There's a light on the fan. Very bad light. It's a very crappy fan. Now, it hums a lot because it's on this control. And this is a solid state control. So, we're going to go ahead and start with low. Or the lowest it can go so far. I haven't adjusted the control to go very low because, it doesn't need to go very low. I want to get a Hunter Silent Breeze in here someday in antique bronze. Speed up a little bit to the medium low. Go medium high. It's medium high, I'll go high. It blows just about no air. Oh wait. Okay, that'll be all. As you can see, this is the control it's on. Fan light. Pot light. Fan. Anyway, that'll be all. Thanks for watching.